Friday query display who are joined first 15 days from Jan to June, 81, 82, 83 years. Select star from EMP where extract of day between first 15 days. Month between 1 to 6, that is called January to June. And year in 81, 82, 83. Okay, guys. Returning into class. Returning into class. Where you can exactly use this returning into class? Simple, guys. Suppose I am updating some employee salaries. After that, I want to see which employees are got that salary increment, corresponding updated salary also I want to see. In this scenario, you try to perform two commands. One is update command. Next one is select command, right or wrong. Means here what happens two times. So inside the table, your data is searching. Data is searching two times, guys. Then performance issue. In this scenario, at the time of updating, which employee record is updating, how much salary he got after incremented, I want to see that information. Then we can use returning into class. Here, first I declare variables. Variable X varchar 2 of 20, variable Y number. I think everybody knows this variable, right? Variable also called as identifier. Variable. We can use it in programs. Now here I'm declaring variable on SQL prompt. So to declare variable on SQL prompt, those variables we can call as global variables. We can call global variables. Global means anywhere we can access. And also these two variables are valid in the session. Once you are exit from the session, your variables are destroyed. Okay, right. Now, one variable is varchar data type, another variable is number data type. Update. I did increment 7369 employee salary. Update EMP set salary equal salary plus 1000 rupees, where employee number equal 7369. Returning into ename comma sal. Returning ename comma sal into colon X colon Y. Name is copied into X variable, salary is copied into Y variable. These are global variables. We can represent with preceding columns. Okay. Record updated. Print colon X. Print colon Y. Are you writing any update command right now here? No. At the time of updating, incremented name and salary is copied into X and Y variables. Next one is bulk collect. This is a PLSQL concept. We discuss later about this. But where you can use this bulk collect means here in this update command right now I'm using where employee number equal to 7369. Instead of this, I want to use department number equal to 10. 10th department, how many employees are working? Approximately 3 employees are working. Okay, 3 records are updating. Okay, all 3 employee names are taking, copied into X variable. Is it possible? Not possible. Because ename returns 3 names, but X is a variable. That variable can hold only one value at a time. The variable hold only one value at a time, not more than one value. That is. See here. In this scenario, the variables are array variables. That is good. Array variables means by using PLSQL tables. These are PLSQL table variables. Okay. These are the PLSQL concept, guys. We discuss later. Okay. Ref cursor also PLSQL. Dynamic SQL. Okay. Next one is OLAP functions. Next one. What next one? OLAP. Oracle OLAP is a separately accessible option of the Oracle database. OLAP means online analytical processing. Online analytical processing. And also the OLAP functions are executed on enterprise edition only. But nowadays, Express editions also supported, guys. Okay? Right. But where you can use these OLAP functions now? OLAP functions are used for data warehousing, data mart applications, both business and IT departments. That means where you can use this OLAP to generate different types of analysis reports. Suppose here DMART, data mart, DMART. In the DMART now, at the end of the day, the shop manager wants to generate different types of reports about the today's status. Today, how many items are sold out? Total, grand total amount. Okay, item wise, subtotal, grand total. Product wise, how many items are sold out? Grand total. Which products are not sold out from last 1 week or 10 days? To generate this type of reports, then our OLAP functions are useful. The first one is rollup. Rollup is an extension to the group by class used to calculate and return subtotals and grand totals as rows of the query efficiently. Right, guys. So rollup is extension to group by. Means once you know the group by, then rollup you can understand easily. We know all the group by. Used to group the rows on specified columns. Select depart number, comma, sum of salary from EMP, group by DEPT and O. We read another, right? Means department wise subtotals are displayed. Okay. I want display along with subtotals. I want display grand total also to display. Grand total means we try to use roll up. Then grand total also it displays. Total sum of all salaries. Buying this roll up. In this roll up, we have one formula. If n is number of columns listed in the roll up, means in the roll up class, how many columns you are placed in one column? Suppose if you are placed n columns, n minus 1 levels of outputs generated. N minus 1 means n plus 1. N plus 1 outputs generated. Here in the roll up now, I am placing one column. 1 plus 1, 2 levels. What are the 2 levels? First level is department wise totals. First level. Second level is grand total. First level is department wise subtotal. Second level is grand total. That is. This is guys. Okay. Suppose here I am placing one more column here. Job. Here I am placing one more column. Job. No. Don't confuse Prashant about this roll up. Simple. We know group by class, right? What is the group by class main functionality? To group the rows on specified columns, right or wrong? So we know that's why first I discussed group by. Yes. Next, roll up means along with these subtotals, I want to display total all employee sum of salaries also. If you want to display, then we try to use roll up. Along with group by, you can add roll up also. So roll up of DEPT and O you can place. Then grand total also it comes. But here I discuss one formula. Here you are placing one column, na? 1 plus 1 levels output generated. 1 plus 1 means 1 plus 1, 2. 2 levels. This is the first level. This is the second level output. Suppose here, guys, I am placing 2 columns right now. I am placing right now how many columns? 2 columns. So 2 plus 1. Here we have that formula inside this. If n is number of columns listed in the roll up, there will be n plus 1 levels of subtotals. That's why here I am placing 2 columns. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 levels output generated. What are 3 levels? Observe, guys. First level is department-wise, job-wise subtotals. Department-wise, job-wise subtotals. Second level is only department-wise subtotals. Third level is grand total. See, guys, department-wise, job-wise subtotals means 10th department clerk subtotal, 20th department clerk subtotal, 3rd department clerk subtotal. The first level. Second level is total 10th department subtotals. Third level is grand total. These are 3 levels. No understand, Prashant? Right. Now, this is a roll-up. Next one is, guys, not only subtotal, only sum, guys. You can apply count also you can apply. Count means we know that count function, it counts number of employees. See here, 10th department clerks, 2 employees. 20 department clerks, 2 employees. Then 10th department total number of employees are 6 employees. 20 department total employees are 4 employees. Total number of employees are 16. Okay. This is, guys. Next one is cube. Cube is extension to roll-up. Okay. Cube is extension to roll-up. Roll-up is extension to group by. Now cube is extension to roll-up. Cube enables a self statement to calculate subtotals for all possible combinations of group of dimensions. It also calculates grand total. If n is the number of columns listed in the cube, there will be 2n subtotal combination. See, guys, 2n subtotal. 2 into n. 2n means 2 into n. Now, here I place cube, here I place cube. Then what happens now? 2 columns are placed, 2 into 2. Okay. Then 4 levels outputs. 4 levels. 2 into 2, 4 levels. 4 levels means first level is grand total, first level. Second level is job by subtotals. Sir, you are confused. Sir, 2 times. Why the clerk comes 2 times? Because this is a small clerk, this is a capital clerk. That's why. Okay. This is. Next, second level, this one. Third level is only department by subtotals. Fourth level is department wise, job wise subtotals. These are the 4 levels. We can generate output in this scenario. Product wise subtotals, item wise subtotals, product wise, item wise subtotals, grand total. Yes, same. I want to generate today's status about my business. Today, item wise, how many items are sold out? Product wise, how many items are sold out? Product wise, item wise, how many items sold out? Grand total. Grand means total number of items are sold out. Yes, we can generate by using cube. Okay. Next one is grouping function. Generally, the grouping function returns 0 or 1 only. 0 or 1. And also, when returns 0, when returns 1. In this grouping function, what you are passing column? What you are passing column? Suppose you are grouping of DEPT and O, suppose. If the department number contains something value, returns 0, sir. If the department is null, 1 returns. Department column value is null, 1 returns. Something value is there, 0 returns. 0 means department number contains something data. 1 means department has no data. Okay, this is a grouping function. That is. Grouping function accepts a column and returns 0 or 1. Okay, it accepts single column as a parameter and returns 1 If the column contains null value, return 0 if any other value. And also the grouping function is executed on only your query should be contain either roll up or cube. Normally grouping is not executed, guys. Your query contains either roll up or cube, then only grouping is working, sir. Otherwise it's not working. Okay, right. The grouping function used only upon the queries that use roll up and cube. Right. C. Grouping of DEBT and O. First department right now much 10, 0, 20, 0, 30, 0. Last department is null, 1. Grouping of 10, 0. Grouping of 20, 0. Grouping of 30, 0. Grouping of null, 1. Sir, where can use this? Where can exactly use this zeros and ones? It is also important function, guys, because the column contains value or not to find out, then the grouping is useful. The column contains value or not, then we can use grouping. 1 means that column has no data, 0 means that column contains data. Okay, but where you can use now, we discuss later about this. Okay, next coming queries we discuss where you can use this grouping. Next one is decode. Decode function similar to if then else or case statements. If you know those programming languages, C language, suppose the C language, we have that one control structure is there. If then else is one control structure, and we have one more control structure is branching control structure that is called as a case. Okay, case statement. Same similar functionality provided by our decode function in our SQL is also important function, guys. Decode is the most important function, because if you try to implement any small programs, small logics now, without program, you can implement by using decode function. We can use, right? Now, in this decode function, we have one syntax is there. What is syntax? Decode expression, search result, and so on, default. What is the meaning of this decode syntax? I given some expression here. I given the expression value. That value here it is searching. That value is matched here. Means what that expression return the value. That value here is matched. Then this result is executed. In this searching, it is not matched. Again, another searching. Here it is matched. Then this one. Again, not matched. Another search. If all searchings are false, default is executed. In if conditions also same, na? In if conditions also, if all if conditions are false, by default else is executed. Same like here also, same like. One simple example, guys. I want to display employee details and corresponding employee department details. I want to display employee record and corresponding employee department name also I want to display. New York. Department name. First employee is working 20, na? Research here I want to display. 30, sales, research, sales. I want to display. Yes, we can write. We know already by using joins. We can join the two tables and we can select the columns, which columns are required. But by using joins now, performance issue, guys. Generally, joins gives low performance actually, because We know already how the joins are executed. To join the two tables, now first inside the tables, how many records are there? That number of that records are cross producted. Na? In table 1, we have 50 records. In table 2, we have 10 records. 15 to 10. Internally, 500 records are coming. After that, your where condition is executed, then matching records are discussed. Means performance becomes very poor. But joins are required, compulsory, and it's an important topic. To avoid this now, we try to use indexes. We know already indexes, we discussed already. Okay, right. Now here, I want to display employee details, corresponding department name without join. Without join, I want to display. By using subquery, you can display, or by using decode also, we can display. How it is by using decode. Select emp.star, comma, dname from emp, db. This is join query, na? Right. Without using this join, I write down the employee number, the employee name, job, salary, DEPT and O, comma, decode of DEPT and O. If it is 10, I won't display accounting. If it is 20, research. Array, query mistake. Okay. If it is 30, sales. If it is 40, operations. Other than other departments, unknown. As dname. Enough, guys. From employee table, first record is taking, guys. 7369 Smith. Job is clerk, something salary. Department number is 20, sir. Decode of 20. Matched a searching, false. Matched a yes. Research displays. Next employee is working 30. So decode of 30 here. 30 matched a no. Matched a no. Matched a yes. Sales displays. This is case. So without having join queries, you can implement. Right. Write a query to find the given number is even or odd. Generally, we can write the program. Na? Without writing program, we can write. How it is. Select decode of. I taken one number I am taking. That number I try to apply with a mod function. This is mod of, I am passing 10 here. Mod of 10 come out, remainder right how much? 0. If it is 0, even. If it is 1, odd. As result. From here. I am passing 10 here. 10 comma remainder is 0, na? 0 equal 0, na? Yes, even. I am passing 13 here. 13 comma remainder is 1. 1 equal to 0, na? False. 1 equal to 1, na? Yes, false. I am passing right now 10 here. Even. I am passing 13 here. ODD. Odd. Right, guys. Next one is write a query to display year-wise how many employees are joined. Year-wise number of employees are joined. This is my requirement, guys. I want to display output in this scenario. In this scenario, I want to display. Generally, we can write the query by using to underscore char, guys. To underscore char of higher date, comma, y, comma, count of star as number of EMPs. From EMP, group by, we know already, guys. This one we discussed. Here was number of compressor displays. This is normal code, but same output, I want to display in this format. Means this row, I want to convert to column. I want to convert to column. I want to convert into column. I want to convert. How it is? By using decode. Before Oracle 11G, to convert rows into columns, then decode are used. But from 11G onwards now, we have direct operator comes that is called pivot operator. Pivot. By using that pivot operator, we can convert rows into columns. Okay. How to convert now? We are discussing, guys. Select decoder. To underscore char of higher date, comma, year. I want to take year, I want to take. That year is matched with 1980, then take 1. Otherwise, take 0. As 1980 from EMP. First, I implement one simple query. Means from employee table, each and every employee data of joining is taking. That employee data of joining is from the data of joining, it is taking year only. It is taking that year is 1980 matched 1. Otherwise 0. 1. The meaning all are zeros. Means first employee is working in first employee joined on 1980. See, check the table. 80. Remaining all are 81, 82, 83, 2023. Okay. Now, okay, one employee is working. Total, I want to do the total sum. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. I want to do the sum. Then total number of employees are coming. How to sum? The same query. We can apply total this decode function. We can apply sum function. We can apply. Now 1980, one employee. You raised one doubt, sir. Why are you using these double quotes here? Generally, alias is accepted characters. Okay, but if alias contains digits, if alias contains spaces, that aliases V must be enclosed within the double quotes. Okay, alias is digit or alias is contains spaces, then to use this one. Same like guys, comma. Same here I changed 81. Same I changed 82. But here, hey, we have one logic is there. If, how many years are there? You should be right that number of cases. But there is no direct function to find out. So 1980, 1 employee, 1981, 10 employees, 82 1 employee, 83, 2022 2 employees. This is the query to convert rows into columns. Right. Next one is write a query to swap two account balances. This is important. I want to swap two account balances, guys. Account number 1, SBI 1, so 10,000 rupees, SBI 2, 5,000. After query is executed, I want to interchange. SBI 1 becomes 5,000, SBI 2 becomes 10,000. How to write? How to write this query? Don't write the static. You can implement static queries, but static is not a character logic. Dynamically, I want to execute. How it is? Any idea about this? First, I create the tables first. Bank underscore DB of ACNO, varchar 2 of 10, CNAME, balance, number of 8 comma. Insert into bank underscore DB, values of SBI 1, balance is 10,000. SBI 2, balance is 5,000. Commit, start from bank underscore. This is our database table, and we have the records. Okay, but I want to swap right now. How it is done? See, update bank underscore DB, set balance equal to set balance equal to set balance equal to how much? Can I give 5,000 where account number equal to SBI 1? Can I give? No, sir. How you know that 5,000? Okay. So update bank DB set balance equal to decode of ACNO. If it is SBI 1, then select balance from bank underscore DB where account number equal to SBI 2. See guys, decode of account number I am taking from database table. The account number is suppose SBI 1 here it is taking. SBI 1 equal to SBI 1 matched? Yes. Then SBI 2 balance is taking. How much SBI 2 balance? 5,000. 5,000 taking. But the balance how much we have? 5,000 or 10,000 or 12,000 or 20,000, what it may be. That is update with the SBI 1. Okay. Next one. If it is SBI 2, then select balance from bank underscore DB where account number equal to SBI 1. Means SBI1 balance update with SBI2, SBI2's balance update with SBI1, comma, bad. Bad. Completed, guys. Completed. Suppose if SB3 is there, SB3 is there. SB3 could SB1 matched? No. SB3 could SB2 matched? No. Then same balance updated. Means SB3's balance updated with SB3 only. Two rows are updated. Check it out. Change, na? This is a real-time query, guys. But in this scenario, again, performance issue, guys. Because it is taking inside the table all accounts details are taking. Not on SBI and SBI2, all account details. I want to interchange only these two account numbers data only. Then where account number in SBI1 comma SBI2. This is enough, guys. Means from bank DB table only two account numbers are taking. Those two account numbers are changed. Again change. Okay, guys. This is the to interchange to swapping two account balances. Right, guys. So next one is grouping with decode. Grouping with decode. Grouping we know grouping. Na? Today we discussed. Tell DEPT and O. Grouping of DEPT and O, comma, DEPT and O, comma, sum of SAT from EMP. Group by roll up of DEPT and O. We discussed already today. Roll up means two levels outputs. Grouping of DEPT and O means the depot number contains something value, then 0, 0, 0. Depot number is null, returns 1. Right or wrong? Now, on this grouping, I want to apply decode function. Means where can I apply now? I want display here, instead of this null, I want to place a grand total. I want to place one string. Where the null is out of board. In that null, what I want to place? Grand total I want to place. First, you try to find out is it null or not. You try to find out. If it is null, then you can place the value. How it is? See, decode of grouping ID comma 1. Then grand total else DEPT as DEPT. Remaining query same. Select decode of grouping of DEPT and O 1. Grand total it displays. First grouping of DE pattern, right? How much? 0 na? 0 equal to 1 na? No. Same depart number displays, 10 displays. Next grouping of 20 here. 20 means 0 again. 0 returns. 0 equal to 1 na? No. Depart number displays. 30 also. Last card grouping of null. Grouping of null means 1. 1 equal to 1 na? Yes. Grand total it displays. This is the example, guys. Okay. Decoding grouping. Decode grouping with the decode function. Next one is case statement. Okay. We completed case. Now again it comes again. Case and such case. Both it comes. Okay. After that, ranking functions are there. Okay. These things we'll discuss, guys. Coming session we'll discuss. Okay. Try to do that practice all these queries. Okay. All right. You can by heart this query, guys. You can. Okay. This is an important query. Now today I send this document to your mail IDs. Okay. Because some updations are going inside this document, right? Right.
Recording stopped.